Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we have a question in which we have to find the element. How can we find an element by its number of moles and given mass? So we have a question that the mass of 5 moles of an element X is 60 gram. Calculate the molar mass of this element as well as identify this element also. So first we have an element having number of moles, that is given number of moles are 5 and given mass of this element that is 60 gram. Now how can we find this element, smaller mass? So we have a formula for the number of moles, that is mole is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. We rearrange this equation as there is molar mass is equal to given mass divided by number of moles. Now we can put the value of these in this formula. So we have to find the molar mass is equal to given mass, we have given mass 60 gram divided by how much, the number of moles, that is 5. Number of moles are here the 5. So after dividing these value we get the molar mass, that is 12 gram per mole. So we find the molar mass of this unknown element is 12 gram, and we know the element having molar mass or atomic mass are 12 gram, that is the carbon element. So the name of element is carbon. So by this formula we can find the unknown element from their number of moles and given mass. That's for all today the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, fellows. Thanks for watching.